Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. This is not related with my crafts, my hobby, supply unboxing, and so on. This is related to open this can. I bought this from Temu and I just wanted to give a polish for my black purses. And I am planning to buy this one, which I had for years. A natural color, so I went back and to put that in my basket. So I'm not going to use this one to polish it, but I would like to polish these two, and you can polish your shoes as well. So I've been trying to open this, and it looks like there's this little thing here that you need to pull it up, I guess, pull it up and down, and couldn't open it. So let's see. Oh, here we go. See? That's what this is used for. I was wondering. Oh my goodness. See? And I just wanted to share this. I'm sure a lot of people get confused. What the hell is this? What do you think about it? Oh, because I looked at my other polish. They also have it, but I never knew. Probably we use some other tool to open it. So I said, let me try this one. So what you do is you put it back, you close it, and see how easy it is? Oh my goodness. And then it holds this part here. Okay, so what is this? Something came. Okay, so and then I had this came with it together. Okay. I don't want to put too much wax. You know, it's winter here, and our cars get very dirty. So what happens is when we're getting out of the car, we rub around. Oh, look at the shine. So here's a review from Tim. I will put the link. I bought this is the black. I also bought the brown. This is the brown. I want to do my shoes. And I went back and I put the natural one. So it's just a short video on how to open this tin, this can. So I don't want to put too much, right? Wax, just a little bit. Especially these parts, because it rubs on the car, I noticed, and it gets dirty. Yeah, so it's just a short video. I just wanted to share this with you. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorials. Bye-bye.